Hey, this is Erica with WTI, and if you're looking for a new set of mixing bowls, then I highly recommend the OXO Good Grips 3-piece mixing bowl set. I absolutely love these mixing bowls and I use them for everything in my kitchen. I use them for baking, I use them for serving bowls, for making salads. The possibilities are really endless. These make really great bowls for baking because of the non-slip bottom. So if you're vigorously stirring something, you're gonna have the stability of this bowl. They're stainless steel, so they hold up really well in the kitchen and they're dishwasher safe. The outside is insulated, so if you do have something hot in the bowl, your hands are going to be protected. I love that there are 3 different sizes for me to choose from, and they're stackable, so they go away easily in my cupboard and don't take up a lot of space. I highly recommend the OXO Good Grips 3-piece mixing bowl set. They are really amazing for any kitchen, and anyone who bakes a lot, you're really gonna appreciate these bowls, and that is my point of view.